Welcome to the Entrepreneur Show. Turn on the TV or flip through your favorite magazine, and chances are you will come across some ad or article that promises massive success in your life or business if you just buy this particular product or do this one particular thing. It's all a lie. There is no secret to achieving massive success. As human beings, it's not out of the ordinary at some point to look for a shortcut or seek ways to maximize results without maximizing the effort. This type of thinking is carried by the majority of the population. The fact of the matter is that there are absolutely no shortcuts to accumulate massive amounts of success or to live out your dreams. And there certainly are no secrets that you don't know about. The one and only secret to success is taking persistent, massive actions. Every high achiever knows this truth. The reason why so many neglect this very important aspect is because actual work has to be done. There is nothing sexy about it. It may not always be the fun thing to do, but it always will be the right thing to do when you are in pursuit of greatness, looking to maximize business success or achieve a specific goal. Taking persistent, massive action requires you to get out of your comfort zone and move even when you may not feel like it. Create your own opportunities. Over the years, I have learned one thing is for certain. Those who are willing to take relentless, persistent, and massive action begin to create their own opportunities. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, they go out and create the perfect time. As an entrepreneur and business owner, especially in the beginning stages, you must be willing to do the dirty work. Increase is the name of the game. Make it a game with yourself. If you made 20 phone calls yesterday, make 60 today. If you are visiting with prospects 10 times a month, do more. The name of the game is increase. Increase action, increase persistence, increase relentlessness, and increase results. Find ways to fire yourself up. There will be times where taking massive action is the last thing you feel like doing. That's why it's an absolute must to find ways to fire yourself up. Hang your most important goals somewhere where you will see it daily. Talk yourself through. Whatever you have to do, constantly search for ways to fire yourself up and keep yourself in the game. Let the competition fall off and become complacent, but not you. Determine what that something is and make it a part of your daily routine. Massive success doesn't just happen overnight, but if you are willing to wake up each morning and declare that you are going to compete with the person you were yesterday and constantly take massive action, you will be well on your way. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like and press bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment which topic you'd like to see next video on. Till then, do whatever you want to do, guys. See you soon.